Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. Today I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Voluminous X Fiber. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara. I randomly saw this at CVS. L'Oreal was having a deal where if you purchase $15 worth of their product, then you got $5 back in extra care box. I saw this, it said new on it. I wanted to try it out. I don't know how new it is. It could have come out like 6 months ago and they didn't sell a lot, so they still have ones that say new on the packaging, you know. I was super excited to try this out. I am wearing false lashes right now. This is not the mascara. So just to let you guys know, because in one of my previous Mascara Monday episodes, somebody was like, oh my gosh, your lashes look so great, I'm gonna buy that mascara. And I'm like, no, they're falsies. And I even said that in the video, but I guess they didn't catch that. So just wanted to let you guys know. It's a two-step mascara. So one side is a primer and then the other side is the fiber mascara. It says 20 times the fibers. The supple black primer instantly builds extreme volume and depth on each lash and creates a smooth and even black base to prep lashes for fibers. And then for the fibers, it says our maximum fiber concentration for up to 7 times more volume. Extreme lash look. Okay, let's get into the video.
Woke up with another siren in my mind. I can't decide if I was dreaming or alive. There's something circling the water where I'm swimming.
My thoughts on this mascara, I really love it. I feel like you don't even need the fibers. You can just use the primer and get away with that. I love that the fibers don't like fall off your face, you know, like with some fiber mascaras, they're messy. But this one is not at all. I seriously have been loving this mascara. And again, I don't know if it's new. I'm gonna look it up right now, actually. I'm looking on the Ulta website and the oldest review for this was 7 months ago. So it did come out a while ago. But I don't know, I haven't seen this. Maybe I just haven't looked in the L'Oreal section close enough. I don't know, but I love this and I definitely will repurchase this. I didn't mention the price. This is a kind of pricier mascara for the drugstore. I think it was $12 or $13. But again, totally worth it. But that's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara you want to see featured in this series, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video.